Hello guys, let's look at different sizes of monster trucks. First one. It's so small and that's why it looks like a Jeep. 40 parts. Much bigger and now it's really looking like a monster truck. Now it's built with 111 parts. Not many more parts, only 174, looking good. So epic and scary, Fire Dragon, which is built of 230 parts. Going 20 parts more and now it can go off-road easily, but made with 250 parts. 331 parts and now it's detailed with stairs, engine and turbine. One more truck with 60 more parts, now it's built with 394 parts. Not many details compared to the last one, but it has a USA flag. Yeah, now it's one of the most detailed. It's built with 667 parts, 2 times more than the previous one. Going for even more, now it's 1,172 parts. Looks just like real life. Cool. The most detailed and the best looking, 1,788 parts, and that's why it looks so good. Thank you for watching. Watch our other videos and don't forget to like and write in the comments what video you would like to see next.